Hey, here's the Etekcity Digital Body Weight Scale that we're opening up today. Now this weight scale has a 400-pound weight capacity and it's made of 6mm tempered glass. So let's take a closer look at it. So before we get it turned on, let's take a closer look at some of its features here. For example, these anti-skid feet, there are 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have a button to switch between units of measurement. We can easily switch between pounds, kilograms, and stones. And here's a closer look at that 6mm tempered glass right there, nice and strong. And so to get this turned on, the batteries are right in here. We can slide that open. You can see it does come with 2 AAA batteries. We need to remove this little insulator right here, get rid of that, so now the batteries can connect to the device and make sure that that case is covered. Now we can set it down, and if we apply pressure to it, that should turn it on. And so I'm roughly 160 pounds. Let's see how well this turns on and measures us. Look at that, it says I'm about 156, and that's probably about right because I'm not wearing my boots, I haven't had any breakfast, and so that weight is probably correct. And you can see it's kind of moving around, that number isn't stopping, and that's because I'm wiggling around, so let me stop wiggling if I can while I'm using this camera and stomping around, and just try to stay still. And there you go, it gives me a final weight of 156 pounds, and now I can step off of it, and you can see that the light does stay on for a while. You got a nice big screen, you can see exactly what the numbers are. And if you ever need to recalibrate the scale, it's really easy. You just put a little bit of weight on it and then take it off, and then it should go down to zeros, and now it's recalibrated, and you can step back on, and it should give you your proper weight. And so it turns out this scale is exactly what I needed. It's nice and stylish, it works perfectly well, easy to read screen, really nice body weight scale there.